Mommy.
Yes, Malachi.
Mommy, if I talking to a girl and she message me and say she want to go on the mall on Saturday, and that means she like me?
No, it means that she want to go to the mall.
What? So what she asking me to go in the mall for, Mommy?
Well, she probably just want to hang out.
Hang out? I look like a clothesline? Want to hang out?
Malachi, the young lady probably just want some company.
About company? If I go in the mall and I mean I have to spend money on her?
Well, if you're being a gentleman, yeah, you could buy something for her.
With my money?
Yeah.
And she don't like me?
Yeah.
Ha! Ain't nobody got the time.
So you can't buy something for a friend?
So what she mother and father there for? No. Hello? Yeah, nah, can't make that. A busy girl had to see a man about a cow.
A boy just like his father, you know. Cheap.
I cannot come